Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Tom Keene with Paul Sweeney and Bloomberg's Lisa Mateo.
We've been talking about Bitcoin, right? Nearing a record. Demand from institutional investors, corporate treasury buyers, U.S. spot ETFs, a shift in sentiment, all of this. Digital asset treasury companies amass a Bitcoin stockpile worth $113 billion. Okay, so Bitcoin, it's rose as much as 3.3% before this morning to top about 122,000. The previous all-time high, this is what they're trying to beat, is 123,205. So that's why cryptocurrency stocks like Coinbase, ticker COIN, they're up about 5%. Then you look at a few others. Riot Platforms, ticker RIOT, up 3%. What? Yeah, Mara Holdings, MARA, up 3%. Even MicroStrategy, MSTR, up about 4%.
She's getting all these names from her kids.
Yeah, exactly.
As they're on their laptop. So NVIDIA and AMD, we've been talking about this, right? Shares have been falling. The reason why. So sources saying they agreed to pay 15% of their revenues from Chinese AI chip sales to the government, reportedly to the deal to secure export licenses.
Is it like a done deal?
It's not a done deal. These are still sources. Nothing is a done deal, but they're saying it's just part of President Trump's effort to try and get financial payout for the U.S. In return for concessions on trade. So that's the reason they're saying. I mean, he's shown kind of this willingness to relax trade conditions like tariffs in return for giant investments. Like we heard that with Apple, right? They're pledged to spend $600 billion on domestic manufacturing. But all that said, I mean, NVIDIA shares have dropped as much as 1.5%. AMD fell as much as 3%.
Next.
He loves this. Okay, Rumble. And you're saying this is a video sharing component. Yes, he loves this. Video sharing platform cloud services provider. It's ticker RUM, but they have been jumping as much as 15%. Okay. The reason why is because there's word that they're considering a $1.2 billion bid for German AI cloud computing group Northern Data. And this involves.
This is all her kids.
This is where you're going to love this.
She has no idea what she's talking about.
This is what you're going to love. It actually involves cryptocurrency company Tether. And how?
Move on.
This moves on.
Next.
They're Northern Data's biggest shareholder. That's how.
Rumble is based in Longboat Key, Florida.
Oh, okay.
Very good.
That's a good place down there. That's some good vacation down
Do
there.
you have anything else, or is this it for you?
No, wait to the next one here. Wait to this one.
This is the kicker. Yeah. Monday.com.
Sure.
Tom loves this one. MNDY. Down as much as 18%, okay? Their second quarter results, they were better. The whole thing why their shares are lower is what the article is saying is that there have been concerns that companies are pulling back their IT spending budgets. So that's what they think it's going to affect Monday.com.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.